Oh yes, keep voguing. Oh, that's it. That is it.
AJ, 15, do something.
You got 10 seconds.
AJ, what do you have to lose?
Yo, G, what are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to throw boots in on this fucking polar bear. It's not working.
Don't wake up, Dan. He's in hibernation.
What the fuck is going on there?
You were asleep on your feet, my man.
Bro, he was really like this.
He was like just frozen.
Look at
The skim work selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old watching.
You spat.
I like that hat though. Dylan, if you die again, you gotta quit the game. Are you kidding me?
How many do they have?
Different when I'm speaking Russian. It just feels different.
That wasn't my fault.
That was your fault. Dylan.
You might be the ugliest kid we've ever seen in our lives.
Everything's not being mean to you. You know I love you, right? You know I love you. Yeah.
I think she said, "Ooh, what's wrong, girl? Nothing. I'm about to smash like I'm King Kong. Ooh. I go harder. I needed a while back. Bitch, I'm bands up on hard like the wild. Ain't talking about Troy. She took out a toy because money was."
Just like, just walk. She's like.
Smells like shit.
Ooh, what is that? Ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Okay, stop the video.
Okay.
Are you eating?